Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the exact Hypersonic 2 build and securing your files because mismatched versions or corrupt configs cause this error. Once you've backed up saved games and config, close overlays and background programs that hook the game. Then run the launcher as administrator to ensure proper permission. While this looks basic, it prevents permission and version mismatches that block later steps. Make sure disk has free space and note any recent mods you installed. Those are likely culprits. You'll now perform the deeper repairs. Verify file integrity with the game client or compare core DLL hashes to a clean install to identify corruption. Once corrupted files are identified, replace just those files from a verified source. Do not overwrite user data. Then clear cache and remove obsolete config entries so the game regenerates defaults. After that, apply the official patch again to repair dependency mismatches. If you used mods, reinstall them one at a time to isolate the problem. You finish by launching Hypersonic 2 on a clean profile with default settings to confirm the issue is fixed. This isolates remaining variables. If the error continues, gather logs, crash dumps, renderer. Log and Windows Event ID and compare timestamps to your actions. Once done, try rolling back the GPU or network driver and disabling the newest mod. Many errors trace to recent changes. If nothing else helps, perform a targeted reinstall of game files rather than wiping saves to preserve progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.